Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to the word problem. Like as you can see on the screen, we have the word problem and it does not contain any basic operation. But here we apply the basic operation and find out what is the correct answer. So here we have the question is 4 times a number reduced by 5 equal to 9 and find the number. It means that we have to find a number which is equal to the expression which is mentioned in the first line. So now we will see which is the meaning of each word, and after that how we can find the unknown number. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's start the topic. As you can see on the screen, like we have a question like which means that you can see find a number. It means that we have to find a unknown number. So unknown number we have to find in this question, right? So as you can see in the first line, it means that the number which we have to find out is equal to 4 times. It means that 4 times means multiplication and a number which is unknown. So let's say we say the unknown number is x. So let's suppose we have a number which is equals to x, and this number is unknown. So it means that 4 multiplied by a number which is x and reduced by, as you can recall our previous lecture, I will share in the card, we have learned like reduce by the terms in the last class. So it means that reduce by means you have to apply the subtraction. So here we have to apply the subtraction. How you can apply the subtraction? 4x multiply 4 multiplied by x, and reduce means subtract 5. So you have to write like this term, 4x minus 5, right? Because you have the 4 times a number, it means that 4 times a number minus reduced by minus. Reduced by means minus. And after that, you have the 5 reduced by 5 and equals to, it means that equals to, you have the 19. So it means that you have an expression 4x minus 5 equals to 9. Now you have to find out this number. This is unknown number. So you have to, how you can find out this number? You have this expression 4x minus 5 equals to 19 and find out after solving this expression. So you have to find, you can find out the value of x. So now we have 4x and write 19. Now we will move minus 5 into right hand side and we get the 5. So here we are transposing minus 5 to right hand side, right? So now we get the plus 5. So now we will add both term. 19 plus 5 is equals to 24. And after that, we have to find out the x. So we will write x into other side and it will go into denominator because it will be divided, because here we have the multiplication 4 multiplied by x. So now it will be go on the next side. So after next side, it will be get the division sign. So 24 divided by 4. And after that, you get the answer is x equals to 4 1 the 4, 4 6 the 24. So the answer of unknown number is 6. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this word problem and find out the unknown number. So the correct answer in the correct answer list is C. So this question is the answer is C. So that's it for today. I hope you understand how you can solve this word problem by applying the meaning of or operation of each word and get the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.